In this video we will explore the complex science behind the various nutrients that our bodies need and how they impact our overall health. Additionally, we will provide you with some practical tips on how to ensure that you are getting the proper nutrition your body needs to function optimally. Importance of nutrition. Our bodies require proper nutrition to function effectively. It provides us with the necessary nutrients to maintain our organs, muscles, and bones. Without proper nutrition, we can experience deficiencies, which can lead to a range of health problems. Science of nutrition. The science of nutrition is complex, as it involves understanding the various nutrients that our bodies need, how they are processed by our bodies, and how they affect our overall health. There are 6 main categories of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each nutrient has a specific role in our bodies, and a deficiency in any one of them can have significant health consequences. Carbohydrates provide our bodies with energy and are found in foods such as grains, fruits, and vegetables. Proteins are essential for building and repairing muscles and are found in foods such as meat, eggs, and beans. Fats provide our bodies with energy and help protect our organs, and are found in foods such as nuts, seeds, and oils. Vitamins and minerals are essential for various bodily functions, such as strengthening our immune systems and maintaining strong bones. Finally, water is essential for our bodies to function properly, as it helps transport nutrients and oxygen to our cells. How nutrition affects our bodies. Good nutrition can have numerous benefits for our bodies, including improved energy levels, better immune function, improved cognitive function, and healthier skin, hair, and nails. On the other hand, poor nutrition can lead to a range of health problems, including obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and various nutrient deficiencies. Tips for proper nutrition. To ensure you're getting the nutrients your body needs, it's essential to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all 6 nutrient categories. Below are some recommendations to assist you in keeping a healthy and balanced diet. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. Choose whole grains over processed grains to get more fiber and nutrients. Limit your intake of saturated and trans fats, and choose healthy fats such as those found in nuts, seeds, and oils. Opt for protein sources that are lean, such as chicken, fish, and beans, and restrict your consumption of red meat. Ensure you stay hydrated by drinking ample amounts of water throughout the day. Conclusion. In conclusion, nutrition is an essential part of our overall health and well-being. By understanding the science behind nutrition and making conscious choices about the foods we eat, we can improve our health and reduce the risk of developing various health problems. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all 6 nutrient categories is the key to optimal nutrition and health.